it's just a real fantastic feeling to know that people are enjoying watching it as much as we're enjoying making it. So thank you.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Seriously, I'd like to thank...
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?